Earn $4.50 PayPal money every 30 seconds watching ads. Whether you're looking for ways to make some extra bucks off the internet without a lot of effort, or finding yourself a source of passive income without any crude skill involved, then you have come to the right place. As easy as it could get, we are going to tell you ways through which you can earn handsome money by watching short videos. If this sounds unreal, then wait till you find it out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Academy, where we talk about some of the easiest and most exciting ways to make money online. Today we are here with a fascinating topic where we are going to explain ways for you to earn around $4.5 or even more of PayPal money by watching ads. I know some of you might be skeptical, but it is real and you can benefit from it. If you want to learn more about some other money-making tips, I encourage you to check out our first video on the channel. If not, stay here and let's get into it. Before we jump to the part where I would tell you how you can make money, let me give you some background on how these things work so you can understand that it is a legitimate way to make money. So the way this works is that advertisers pay money to platforms like Instagram and YouTube to run their ads. That's pretty straight. However, sometimes the payments to these platforms depend upon the number of clicks or watch time on the ads. In this scenario, platforms that do not have enough organic traffic and audience to fulfill their clients' requirement use a pay-to-watch scheme where they connect with random users over the internet to watch the ads and get money in return. Of course, this course of action is debatable considering that clients pay these platforms thinking that their ads are being watched by organic users who have the potential of becoming their future customers. However, benefiting from this opportunity, you can make significant dollars as a side hustle. Now that you have some background of where the money comes from when you watch the ad, let's get to the real discussion on how you can get paid $4.5 in PayPal money just by watching a half-minute long video. There are several online platforms where you can register, and they will send the video links your way to convert your time into money. You will have to play a little smart here, as there are many phishing websites out there that will promise you money but will scam you. But don't worry, as the websites I am going to tell you about have credibility and will deliver on what they promise. Number 1. KashKick. KashKick is a very popular platform if you want to make online money by watching videos. According to the information available on their website, users are required to sign up for the platform. Once they complete the registration, they are directed to web pages where they watch a series of short ads and, in return, receive around $4.5 in their PayPal account for every 30-second ad. It sounds like a dream, right? But it is true. Not only this, but there are other earning options like filling out surveys or rating websites to earn money. All these offers are just a Google search away. The best part is, KashKick pays its users in the form of PayPal transfers rather than some useless gift cards or points. So, what are you waiting for? Hop onto KashKick and start your journey towards making dollars online. Number 2. SwagBucks. Next up, we have SwagBucks. Living up to its name, SwagBucks offers its users a chance to make money by completing mini-tasks online. SwagBucks is not very different from KashKick, as it also offers multiple options for users. For instance, users can choose between videos and surveys to generate money from it. But there is one area where SwagBucks goes one step ahead. So as a user, you can play the videos in the background and simultaneously complete the surveys, which is amazing cause you can increase your income without spending more time. Once again, if you think this is too good to be true, I would like to tell you that SwagBucks has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 on Trustpilot. There are some differences as compared to the previous website. For instance, at SwagBucks, you do not get money instantly after completing a survey or watching a video. Instead, you earn points which can be later converted into PayPal money or can be redeemed in the form of gift cards. Whichever way you choose to collect money, let me assure you that SwagBucks is a trusted website that you can use to earn money through this effortless side hustle. Before we proceed, if you are new to this channel and interested in more content like this, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as we upload a new video about tips and tricks to earn money. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. Another platform where you can go and earn money by watching videos is Inbox Dollars. Although it isn't the most popular choice among the hustlers, still that does not mean it is some form of scam. The only issue with inbox dollars is that you will have to meet the $15 threshold before you can convert them into your PayPal money. Besides this, inbox dollars has no subscription fee, and once you become a member, you are given tasks to complete. The dollar amount that you will get paid is mentioned on each project. Some might pay a few cents, but others can go way above $4.5 as well. So all you need to do is become a part of this platform, and within a few days you will start making money. Again, the amount of money you make at the end of the day depends upon the time you spend watching videos. Of course, there is an element of luck here, as the money depends on offerings on each project you receive. But even with a lower pay rate, you can easily make a few hundred every month. Number 4, MyPoints. MyPoints is a trusted name in the industry when it comes to getting paid in return for completing small tasks. With quite an established online presence and user base, MyPoints has excellent reviews on websites like Trustpilot. Now that we have established credibility for MyPoints, let's get to the part where I tell you how you can earn money from it. To make money, you will have to earn points by completing the tasks. On MyPoints, these tasks come in the form of complete playlists of videos which you have to watch. You can do this on your computer or MyPoints app, which is available both on Android and Apple devices. Until now, you must be thinking, well, this platform is similar to previous ones. Well, that is true, but there is something unique about MyPoints, and that is their partnership with United Airlines. Due to this partnership, what you can do is accumulate your points on the MyPoints portal and later add those points to your United Mileage Plus account. Isn't this just amazing? If you are planning to fly somewhere anytime soon, then maybe MyPoints can help you buy a round trip. Number 5, Prize Rebel. The last platform on the list is Prize Rebel, which is similar to other platforms listed above. However, launched in 2007, this platform has now earned a reputation as a great website to become a member of. If someone is looking for some extra bucks, you can easily become a member for free and start earning money by watching online videos. The only drawback is that the pay-per-video rate is quite low on Prize Rebel. That means reaching that $4.5 for a 30-second video might not be possible. However, it is super easy, as you have to spend some extra hours and you will reach your target. Prize Rebel knows that they are offering less compared to the market standards. So to cover up for the low pay rate, Prize Rebel offers its members a reward catalog with more than 500 gift card options. If you prefer cash, you can always redeem your points balance for PayPal deposits, but gift cards like Visa prepaid gift cards are always an option. So what are you thinking? Want to give it a shot? I would say it is worth a try. And those are all the platforms that you can become a part of if you are looking forward to making money by watching videos. There are a few other options as well, but I mentioned the reputable ones so you don't get scammed. I know some of you would still be skeptical about the $4.5 offer, but the only way to know this is through trying it out for yourself. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comments section below. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel to watch more of our content. On that note, I'll end this video here. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.